Monday afternoon, on-demand storm tracker forecast. I'm Chief Meteorologist Mike Hurd. Tracking Arctic air. It's encompassing much of Montana and the northern half of the country and Great Lakes region, extending as far south as Oklahoma. But as we zoom in, you can see an interesting pattern here. We have a stationary front that's pretty much stalled, and it's just clipping a small part of southwest Montana. Roughly right along the Rocky Mountain front, eastward is where the extreme cold Arctic air. Now this front at times wobbles around a little bit, so it does dig in, catching up to Dillon, it gets pushed back. So forecasting temperature is a little tricky as we go through the next handful of days because this Arctic air kind of pushes in, pushes out. But look at the air temperatures as of, let's see, 1:30 here, Monday afternoon, well below zero across northern, central, eastern Montana. And when you factor in wind, the wind chill values are brutal across northern, central, and eastern Montana. Wind chill advisories are slowly starting to push towards the west-southwest. Now includes areas between Missoula and Kalispell, and from Cutbank to Great Falls to Lewistown to Billings, back into the Livingston area. So again, that's going to be a concern going forward. We're still tracking some snow. Still some vigorous little snow bands moving through the region, so this is really impacting travel on most of our mountain passes locally, picking up these pockets of off and on snow and low visibility. This is a very, very dry, powdery snow, easily being picked up by even passing cars and a little bit of wind, so visibility is going to be the bigger issue. But this snow comes to an end starting tomorrow, and then we're just locked into cold. And that Arctic air digs deeper into southwest Montana, especially by Wednesday morning. Butte and Bozeman is going to be around 20 below zero. And again, the big question mark is Dillon. Will it drop below zero or not? And we're just going to have to weigh that as we go through the day, each day. And right now, I think the best chance for below zero temperatures for Dillon will be possibly on Thursday, but 20 to 25 below between Butte and Bozeman Thursday morning. Friday morning, it's still bitterly cold across the entire state. And then by the weekend, it's a slow process. But that Arctic air is slowly beginning to weaken its grip. But it's likely to continue into next weekend with signs of improvement not until after the 15th of February. So again, the short-term forecast for Butte, snow is possible this afternoon and evening. Clearing, colder, 11 below is your forecast low for Tuesday morning, 16 your target high for Tuesday afternoon. Bozeman, I'm on the fence. I could end up trimming these numbers slightly colder than 5 below tonight. We'll have to wait and see how the snow tapers. If it clears off abruptly after sunset, then it's going to be a lot colder. So again, we're going to update these numbers, adjust them as we go through the evening, and I'll have fresh numbers for you tonight at 5:30 and 10 at KXLF and KBZK.